Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
At least we know that one. Me.
Oh, wow.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas to each and every one that's alive and well.
Yeah.
Yes.
Tonight you've got Julsz Tymm from Julsz Tymm TV, and you got Prestige from Prestige channel. And we've got a tree, but we can't decide where to put the tree. So lovely people, I'm saying to put the tree there. What is Tussie saying?
I can put it on my head, you know.
Oh my God! What people
What
have to sit there. We have all these things on the table for Christmas, so that don't look like that makes sense.
Alright, so you're going to know. Christmas tree. Where's some rock, paper, scissors?
And you know you don't play with. You know that's a game we can do. Come on, we try. Cause that's a game I can do.
So where you say?
This is scissors.
Yeah, but you have to pick a location as well.
Eh?
Yes. Because you have to play rock, paper, scissors who will win. Decide which one the tree go.
Okay, me say over here.
You say over here, sir?
Where is it? Where's it here, sir? Where is it?
Alright, if you say right there, sir, and me say, I have to paint the picture in my head.
How are you gonna do? Are you here so you can't say here, sir? I don't know.
I think I wanted to do that, sir. So you say rock, paper, scissors, shoot, then I put where you want to put, right? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
At least we know that one. Me! So what you did?
I think
I'm
use nothing.
Why you not use nothing?
Yes, this is rock.
Oh!
So me, but best to touch you.
You got me learning. You know what GS more learn from?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
So me win.
Yes.
Alright.
One more. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
And me win.
No.
You
can't use the
You can't use the same thing.
You have to change up. You can't use the same scissors all the time. Alright, we start again fresh.
Maybe do something different.
Yeah, so we can start again, eh?
Yeah.
Best to touch you, right? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Me win. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Scissors, shoot.
Shoot. To see me. I love you, but let's put up a tree first and then we decide we're going to put a tree. Yeah, because this rock, paper, scissors, shoot thing, I can never get it.
That teach me one at a time.
Yeah, I can
never show
get
my
it.
YouTube tutorial. So today,
Maybe play with sister to make you play with her, but
we're going to unbox the tree.
yeah, new
Put
one.
Put it up, and then show me my YouTube tutorial. I will rock, paper, scissors, shoot, and decide where I want to put it.
I will get it. It's alright, three might play for me.
So last year we did, what we did?
White.
We did frosted white. White.
We'll chuck it out, so.
We did white tree, so this year we're going back to the standard original green tree.
So this year is green and gold. So the tree is green and we're going to use mostly gold ornaments. So yes, here it goes.
One of these fine years, we're going to use the real Christmas tree and see if we can make the house smell like pine, because apparently the real Christmas tree smells like pine. And more of the house smell like pine.
Yeah. Okay, come down school.
So we should have everything that we need right here. I feel like I want a chair. You want a chair?
No man, I'm going to do ornament, man. Go and come here, what open this, that's all. Yes. No man, go on.
So we got screws.
It comes set up.
So one screw goes there, and then the next one goes in there, and then we will be okay.
So keep it stable.
Keep it like that for now. And then we got oh, it's not even tree, it's free.
The tree.
Voila.
Here.
So now you no longer need this one.
Yeah.
Voila. So cover this for. But what I need is something from Auntie Joe's.
No man, push it in the hole, and then no, you have to do it.
Oh,
and then you just pull down the
okay, I thought it was wired up. Okay. So
you not put it in the stand first and put it.
no man, because it don't unbug me.
Oh,
free movements.
Some come up some way. Some snow.
What you guys say? Should we go get some ice and put on it? We ain't got no snow. It's not that cold as yet in England. It was cold last week, but it gone back to
normal.
Relatively normal
But that's when we
temperature.
get snow though. When you get back warm, innit?
So what's gonna happen is when it starts snowing, we take the Christmas tree outside.
Yeah,
Make it
it's
full of
snowing.
snow, and then
And bring it back in. Yes! Hey, who's not smart? You're very clever, you know. That's a smart one. I like that.
And one day when I'm going back to Jamaica in Christmas, I'll bring some
Bring
stuff.
some, yes! Yes, perfect.
Anyone in Jamaica craving some snow?
Yes, they send your order in it. Yeah.
I'll hook you guys up, man. No worries. I'm the plug. We're halfway through.
Yeah. Put in your food.
And now what we'll do is unravel the branches.
But to see now, see put again now, put in your foot and screen up first.
Goat meat is in need of check-ins ever so often. Okay, Zed? Are you going to check it, man? Sunshine, I need you, baby. One day we'll have the real Christmas tree. What one we're gonna have? The big one or the small one?
Tall one, man.
Tall one?
Go ahead, use a lot of one. If I say one,
Never seen that one, darling. Oh, they have
tall. Yeah, and tell you.
Yes, I
But me say, but I must sell them too.
Now,
The fun part. I never want
yes,
to.
Morris? Morris?
Race? You own them? Yeah, man.
What you want?
2.
Oh. Yeah, carry him up.
We carry them
So
out.
who right? You then do it like that or me do it flat?
Books.
Who right?
Look on it. Look on it. My one. And
Yeah.
look on move flat one. I'll show them.
Which one right? If it was right?
I think this one's right.
Alright.
I don't know actually.
What I swear I
I
do
feel
it
like
every
if
year.
I feel like
But
if
you
it's
like
flat,
you
a
right.
coconut tree. The coconut live alone flat. Christmas tree bushy, you know.
Oh
You
yeah.
gone, so you gone.
Yeah, you're very right.
See how fair.
We shall find YouTube to answer.
Nah, man, you have to make it work.
I think you're right. Come see, I saw some of them double over like. Yeah, I was saying that to myself. What's one of them in? They don't make me flat card, you know in over each other side.
Because I'm saying I hang things on them now.
Look at something, man. You never too old to learn people.
Never.
You can learn from a baby. That's what the Bible says. So after all these years, I learn now how to open a thingy tree. And it looked to me now like I used to do it before. But you know why after some start to do it?
Yes.
Because it started look to me like I used to do it now.
They would have trouble argument, man.
No, I can't spend me from it. I like this tree more because the other tree you just have to put in the branches. This one you already there.
This one is easier.
Much easier.
But the next one have more features like the new iPhone, you know?
The one for check out.
Full of features, man.
Different pieces and stuff. Yeah, I think it's coming together nice.
You know, we send them on a different direction, man. Everybody can go the same direction, you know?
Yeah, true. You sure see the thing that you want to put and come back? Rock foot. This is how it tied you out.
Ha!
You put the pot in.
Yeah, man. First one, I say they're frozen, you know? See now, that's fast. Brilliant! This is coming together really beautiful. I'm loving it.
Wow, you look good for true that really. Wow.
Chabella.
Where you get this flat idea from?
Lord have mercy. Who's the Christmas tree or roti? Maybe I miss Jamaica though. You want to see coconut tree
Maybe. And palm tree.
and palm tree, you know?
Are you back and finish now?
Let's see for the years. Year one.
Yeah, I'm going for me. Do you just start out one?
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Everywhere you go. Yeah. Yeah.
This tree's a bit smaller than the other one, though, isn't it?
I want it around here.
No, this tree is a bit smaller, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. But it's tall though.
It's tall?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, mate.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
It should be cool then.
We shall see,
Five
mate.
something. Yeah, so you know they
5'5"?
people.
5'5"?
Mm-hmm.
That's taller than you, man.
No, not 5'3". So just because
Ha!
just because.
So I'm gonna use you for measuring tree, man.
But it's okay, I'll stand off with it all of these. That's fine. If I want one small house and you go buy one overpowering tree, see how more that people do here? One overpowering tree, you can pass it. And so this is Tussi's side where you can come on the tree.
Yeah.
The part that you're seeing is Tussi's side, as you know it was a competition, and this side is mine. So that's Tussi's side, and if I give it a little twirl, you'll see my side. And this, we're going off a Christmas theme, knowing that it's Christmas. Oh. Yeah. And that is my side.
Ooh.
So, so who is the winner? Then we're going to continue by putting on the garlands and the breast of trimmings. So,
I personally think I like Mum's side more.
yay! I told you I would be the winner. Okay, now, so before we go further, everybody's got their name. So we're going to be putting on our name. Wow.
So nice.
Yes,
So we
yes,
just need to
yes.
get our green and gold outfit, isn't it?
That's the theme.
Let's get our green and gold outfit, isn't it?
Yeah. Alright.
Yes.
Ready now, Justin? To put him in place.
Wow, that looks
Nice.
stunning.
Oh, the star. Oh, the star have a star up there.
That
It
is
looks
so
nice,
good.
isn't it?
Yeah, that looks
And a
good.
few stars in between.
That is so good.
Thank you. Just put him in place now, please.
Yes.
Yeah. How you hold it?
Like a star.
You
Yeah,
go.
you want to see it in position, innit?
Dream team.
Yeah.
I wonder what this is.
Wow. There it is in place. Everyone, And that's it for our Christmas tree. Now we need to put a few presents.